Now on this one, we're going a bit gourmet. I don't think anyone's ever done it on a park bench before. So this meal you're about to witness, I've only ever seen it in, you know, like high teas and fine dining type settings, you know. We're making noodles. But these ain't just any regular noodles, mate. We got the meagerings, you know. So the first step when you make any noodles is water. So we're going to get some water. Now we're not just getting any water because, as you know, any restaurant quality food has to have just the best quality water. Alright, like I said, only the freshest water for this. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, mate, is you want to open the packets up, right? You want to be real delicate with this stuff, mate. Alright. I'm making a mess. There we go. Alright, got to be real careful with those. There's not enough water in there. That red one there, that's actually chili. Now, a lot of people, like even my best mate, all these people around me, they don't like chili. They can't handle the heat. But for me, I need to stay warm in such a cold world. You know what I mean? Like, so a little known fact about noodles actually is they're claustrophobic. So once it starts to warm up, you just want to back up, give them their space, let them breathe. You know, and that's what we're going to do. First, we're going to flip this one over so it actually gets in the water. Something like that. Let's just break it. We started off delicate, didn't we? Alright, so we'll let that do what it does, and we'll come back. That's done, and you can't see my head. I've been fully decapitated. Now that's done, we're going to take that off. We're going to dip it out. You know what? Don't tip it on your toes, alright? That's hot water. Try that again. How good is that? You can't call yourself a chef unless you're giving yourself 3rd-degree burns. Alright, so now we're going to put the flavouring in. Alright. Don't mean to go too fancy on you with that little flip. Alright. Give half of that to the grass, mate. Grass loves it. So we're taking the piss a little bit, but I'm actually curious, like, if anyone has actually not had noodles before, you know, like, some people be born like mad rich, but I mean, everyone's had noodles, yeah? At least, I mean, I hope so, because like, it's a mad little feed. It's super pov, but it's a mad little feed, yo. Alright, mate. So we got that, we have to ditch these, come back. Alright. Yeah. Alright, Seth, mate, I see you. I know you're watching me, alright? You see that red one, mate? I'm not throwing at it, that's going in. Don't worry. Don't worry, mate. If I can open it, jeez. Here we go. Here we go, Seth, mate. There you go, just for you. Alright. That's not no ketchup, boy. Wait, what's some soy sauce? Yeah, real fancy. Yuck, get off my finger, dude. Oh, I don't know what this is. But it's that wet, you know, we'll put that in. Yeah, go on. Real delicate. You gotta be real delicate with this stuff, that's the thing, you know. And that dipped on my toe. My toe's just getting covered in everything. My fingers are proper putrid right now. But luckily we've got that natural spring water over there, also known as just a park tap. We're going to use that. Wash up after. Because we did 2 packets, because we're proper chefs and that, you know, we've got another one. Seth, mate, again, you watching? Not ketchup. Not tomato sauce. Oh, it fucking sucks though. And now that that's done, I'll go throw these in the bin, and then we're going to find a spot to eat it. Yeah, you're close, but not quite. A bit higher, mate, you're almost there. call me Chefy Lee because my cooking skills are that sharp.